Hey y'all, welcome back to Basin Motorsports. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. If you haven't heard, WD-40 is running a contest called Live Life Hands-On. What they're asking entrants to do is to film a 10 to 60 second video showing how they use WD products in their everyday life, whether that's work, play, on the job, etc. So I put together just some footage from throughout the garage and the farm, etc., and kind of put together a compilation of how I use WD-40 as my entry into that. So, without further ado, this is going to be my entry into the contest this year. Hey, Canaan here from Basin Motorsports. WD-40 has asked, show us how you live life hands-on. So today I'm going to try and run through everything I use WD-40 on, or water displacement, trial number 40, and show you within 60 seconds how we live life hands-on here at Basin Motorsports. Now, if you've ever seen anything come out of Basin Motorsports, you know we love restoring cars around here. Now, speaking of 80s muscle, doesn't matter if you've got one freshly restored or you just pulled one right out of a field, WD-40 is something to spray on every fastener to make them come off nice and easy. We also restore tillers. We also keep equipment like our skid steer going well. Now, WD-40 has been a valued asset keeping all of our equipment running strong for decades. So whether you're trying to keep a new tractor running strong, 1960s hay equipment, or building the next legendary muscle car, WD-40 is the only brand you need in your cabinet. Now, seeing all that stuff, you've probably seen a lot of it between the car and the wraps and everything else. You know what's out there, but maybe you didn't know we had a skid steer and they had a front end loader with a dump bucket on the back and a bunch of other stuff. Maybe you didn't know all the stuff we do around here between Basin Motorsports and Sprague Homestead. But if you didn't know, you do now. So that's my entry, something very simple, just kind of throwing it together. Now there's cash prizes, there's swag involved, some hoodies and other stuff. And really, sometimes I just think it's just about getting to enter. The fact that I can put something in versus worrying about will I win or not. So that was my entry, something very simple. Now, if you guys want to enter something for yourself, I'll put a link down to the contest down there. It's only open till the end of August, so don't wait on it, I guess. Get your stuff filmed. It's only a minute. It has to be only a minute. So make it happen. We'll see you out there, and good luck if you enter.